All right, so we have a schema and a model for the enrollments. Let's create a simple DAO. So in here we'll have enrollments DAO.server. And let's see, we can have, we'll need the model, so let's load the model. So const enrollment model, we're going to require that. So we're going to require, go up and then down to models and down to the enrollments, and then go in the enrollments and enrollments model. There we go. Once we have the model, we can implement a couple of things. We can say, perhaps one of the functions that we'd like to have here is const enroll a student in section, right? And to do that, what we might want to be able to do is that we'll need the ID of the student that we want to enroll, right? So this is a student ID, and we'll probably also need the section ID that we want to enroll that student in. Okay. And what we'll probably need to do here is we're going to have to We're going to have to fetch the user. We're going to have to update the user, and I'm sorry. No, we'll need to create a brand new enrollment, and that enrollment is gonna be a record that is gonna be pointing to both the student and the section, right? So let's do that. Let's create that. We're gonna say this is just basically gonna use the enrollment model, and it's gonna do an insert, right? This is a create. What are we going to create? We're going to use for the student field. We're going to use the student ID that you're passing me as an argument, and for the section, we're going to use the section ID that you're passing me as an argument, right? And this is just going to be an insert right into the database, right? And that's it. Let's export this. Exports. A map that's going to have our enroll student in section. Okay, and now let's try it out. Let's try to enroll some students in a section. All right, so let's do that.